Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winning, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
And, that just really opened my eyes. So I started selling high ticket. So I went back into coaching and started doing a high ticket program for teaching people how to use Instagram, kind of all the things that I did. And we did pretty good. We were doing like $100,000 a month, instantly doing that. Hated that though. Just totally hated that.
Why'd you hate it?
Just, I don't mentally and psychologically want to support, not necessarily support, but I guess what I'm looking for is I don't want to be responsible for someone's success.
Yeah.
Right?
I feel that.
So that's a lot of weight. So I would never want, I just think psychologically that's not a good thing when